Hi, this is Chris Gould from Geeks on Tour, and this tutorial is about transferring a photo from one Android device to another using something called Android Beam. And so I am going to transfer from this smaller Samsung phone to this larger Nexus phone. There's only one prerequisite, and that is that the phone have the NFC, near field communication capability, and that it be on. So let me show you what I mean. First on the Samsung, you have to go into settings, and then it's in the network area, and it's more networks. And it is NFC, allow data exchange when phone touches another device. You just tap on that and turn it on. And notice once it's turned on, you have the ability to use Android Beam, which is currently off. But if I tap that, and it shows me exactly what to do. When it says touch a phone, it really means touch the two phones together, and it gives you some instructions here. That's what I'm going to do. I want it on. All right, I need to do the same thing on the receiving phone. And once you turn it on, it'll stay on. So settings, and more under networks, and NFC, turn it on, and Android Beam, that is on. So Android Beam is what we're going to use. So on this smaller Samsung, and notice this little N up in the notification bar. That is the icon for near field communication, NFC. So I just need to open a picture. I can get it from the gallery, or I can get it from Google Photos. Doesn't matter. Just open any picture that I want to transfer, this cool color pop one. And now, literally, all you do is touch the backs of the phones together. Then the sending phone, the photo will get small, and it will say touch to beam. I just touch the photo, and you'll see on the sending phone that there is a little arrow going up. And on the receiving phone, you'll see an arrow coming down. When it's done, we can take a look at it. There, so it has stopped. So now on the receiving phone, I'll take a look at my notifications. Beam complete, tap to view. And there is the photo on the receiving phone that I had on the sending phone. That is Android Beam, to beam a photo or any content. It depends on what app you have open and what's showing on the screen on the sending device.